Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 10, that is measures of central tendency, median and mode. In the earlier chapter 9, when we studied the measures of central tendencies arithmetic mean, there we had come to know that positional averages are also a part of central tendencies. Positional averages are the values which are worked out on the basis of their position in the statistical series. Means their values is not worked out by a mathematical formula, but their values is worked out on the basis of their position in the statistical series. These positional averages are median, partition values and mode. The partition values are further classified as quartile, decile, percentile. Today we are going to start with the topic median. What is the meaning of median and how we can calculate it under individual series. Median refers to the value of the variable which divides the groups into two equal parts. Means a variable or item into the series which divides that whole series into two equal parts is known as median. Now, those two equal parts are such that one part comprises all the values greater than the median values and the other part comprising all the values smaller than the median values. Like here we are having an example. We have a group of data given to us which contains items 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now here in this series or in this group of data, the number 5 is a value which divides the series into two equal parts. The first part containing values less than 5 and the second part containing values more than 5. So this is number 5, which is median, which divides the whole series into two equal parts. The first part where all the values are less than median and the second part where all the values are more than median. So here 5 is median, means 5 is that variable which divides the whole series into two equal parts. The one part containing values less than median and the other part containing values more than the median.